Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing something that doesn't involve makeup, which is crazy because my whole channel is just all over makeup. We literally have a PR box right there from Beauty Creations, which I did film today. I also just unboxed a LA Colors advent calendar. So if those videos are up, they're going to be linked down below. But today we're not doing any makeup. We are just gonna unbox, I don't know, reveal these little balls from mini brands. So basically, if you haven't seen these are little balls that you can buy individually, and they come with products from your everyday drawer, from the kitchen, from anywhere. They even come out with like little makeup products. We have a couple of samples in the back, as you can see, and this did retail for $9.99 at Marshall's. So you could get anything from a little cereal, from a little icy. These are so adorable. I have really been into these types of videos on YouTube, so I thought, why not? I saw this at Marshall's and I just picked it up. Let's do it. Why not? Let's see what we get in here. And basically it's just little teeny tiny products. There is also somebody on TikTok that they ask her like, oh, I bet you don't have like a little baby ketchup, and she literally has a little cart and she goes around and she like looks for the product that you request, which is really cute. I'm also obsessed with her TikTok. I'll have it linked up below if you want to watch that, if you want to get into it. But this one is the mini brands series 3. I don't know what that means, but I guess it has a bunch of different series. But yeah, let's take a look at these, and it says you can collect up to 100 plus minis. So that's how that product looks. It's just a little ball. It's so cool. I'm also gonna link down below the channel that I've been obsessed with. She is from, I'm pretty sure the UK, and she does a lot of these types of videos. She does a lot of advent calendars as well, which is why I've been into advent calendars, and that's why I unboxed the LA Colors one. But yeah, I've really been into these types of videos as of lately, which is why I thought, why not try it out and see what I get for myself. So I'll have her channel linked down below. It's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start revealing, and I already ripped it. Hopefully I could remove this. All right, finally. So it looks like so I'm thinking, where does it open? Oh, okay, there we go. So as you can see, it looks like a little orange. I'm gonna go ahead and open the first one. Girl, I am not gonna break a nail. Handy dandy little scissors from Shop Missy. Told you guys they come in handy. All right, so first product, there is a little, I think this is just a cheat sheet. So it's just like, so you know what comes in here. So let's take a look at the first product, which looks like that. It's a little baby bell. How baby size it is. So we got a little baby bell. All right, now I'm super excited. Let's get into the second one. Again, I'm not gonna break a nail over this. Let's take a look. It's a little box. Okay, so this is the Instant Royal Sugar-Free. What is this? I think it's like a little pudding. So you can see it's like a royal pudding, looks like. And you do get like all the information on the back, all the little calories and stuff. This is so cute. But this is just a little box. Like there's nothing really special about it, but it's also so cute. And look at how small it is compared to my face. So far so good. Let's get into the next one. Take a look. It looks like another box. Oh no, it's a little bag. Okay, so this is the Iridia Golden Crispy Crown. So this is little like nuggets. Look at that. It's like a cute little bag. This is adorable. And look, you get like all the information on the side. Literally looks like they shrunk all these products down into like minis. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but they're cute, okay? All right, let's get into the next one. I kind of saw it already. I think it's like a little box as well. What is this? Ooh, they're little Swizzles Love Hearts. So these are the emoji little candies. So these I've never seen before. Let me know if you've tried these. Not sure if I've ever seen these. They kind of remind me of the Smarties in a weird way, but they're just little like Valentine's Day candies. Look at that. So cute. And you get all the information on the back, all the calories and everything. That's adorable. All right, so far I haven't really gotten anything that I'm too excited about besides the little baby bell. I think it's adorable. And then with these kind of little balls, you can also get something that's like very rare. So if you get a product that comes in a golden kind of color, that's a rare product. So just in case you didn't know, but I think we did all of them except this one. This is a cute little experience, especially for your kids. So if you want to buy these for them for like Christmas or something. Ooh. So we got the Jolly Rancher Hard Candy Fruity Bash, which looks like that, and it comes in a little bag. And there is like something squishy in there. So we did get this little baggie, and in the bag you do get the information. So in this first little ball, nothing too exciting. We got the Baby Bell. We got the little Jolly Ranchers candy. We got the little, what is this? The little yogurt thing. We got the Golden Crisp, and we got the little candy that I've never heard of. So I'm kind of like, you know, it's cute, but nothing too exciting. Hopefully the next one has more like, I don't know, more exciting things. So next I'm going to get into the next little ball. So I'm going to go ahead and try to open this up. Alrighty, so I got it open. Let's take a look at this one. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna break a nail. I believe the one with the little like white thing on it is the one that comes with the cheat sheet. So I'm just gonna open that up. Yeah. So that's how that looks. So we do get the little booklet thing. We could look at that at the end. So taking a look at the first one, we get some warheads all mixed up. Little candies. How adorable is that? So far we've gotten 2 types of little candies. So this one is definitely something that I am familiar with. I really like Airheads. I can't eat them all the time, but I think they're cute. You guys could look at it first. What is that? Okay. Oh, Sweetheart. So these are the little candies that we get for Valentine's Day every year. So it's just those little hearts that have little sayings on them, and it says cutie pie in the front. I think that is adorable. And in the back it says to and from as well. That's really cute. So very like Valentine's Day theme, right? That's interesting. More candy. So this is the Chupa Chups candies. So I've actually seen these before, and it's just a little baggie, and again you do get the information and calories, everything on the back. This is really cute. It's definitely more candy driven. Let's get into the next one. We have 2 more, so you guys can look at it first. So we got the Blue Diamond almonds, roasted, salted little almonds. They're really cute. It looks like the little almonds got like shrunken down. This is so cute. I really like the little packaging. And then we have 1 more to go. Make it good. Another little box. I don't know what this is, but it says Otter Pops Tropical. So it looks like those little lollipops or something. I don't know. Or ices. Looks like that. I literally have never heard of this, but it's just a little shrunken down version, a little box. I think that's cute. Not super excited to have ended on this, but let's take a look at everything we got in this little ball. So we got the Chupa Chups. We also got the Airheads, a little baby thing. We got the Sweethearts cutie pie thing. We got this little icy thing. All the things. I think the one that I got the most excited about was the Warheads and the little blue almond situation. So again, I'm just like, I think I should have gotten the series 1. I think that one comes with more just like cuter stuff. I don't know. I was expecting like this, like the ones in the back, like the little tapatio and the little icebreakers situations. I think these are cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I think they're really adorable, and I'm gonna purchase more in the future maybe, but it's just kind of like and the little, I think like the one that I got the most excited about overall, let's see, I really like these 2, the little almonds and the Baby Bell, because they just look like the packaging, so they're just kind of shrunken down. I'm not the biggest fan of the ones that come in the little boxes, but I really like the little baggy one. Before we go, I definitely want to look at the little cheat sheet. So again, series 3. So you do get some golden ones. Those are like the most rare ones. You get some like glow in the dark ones. You can get metallic ones. I didn't know about that. They also have like the more common ones, which I was kind of hoping for, and then yeah, the common ones. So they have like a little icy teddy bear grams. This is definitely more like food and candy driven. I guess that's like what series 3 is. And then there's a couple more on the back as well. And I'm sure the other cheat sheet is the same thing as well. But you can also get a little cart and little shelves as well if you didn't know. But it's very interesting. Again, I'm kind of like, meh. Nothing too exciting. We didn't get anything rare at all. So yeah, but this is really fun. And again, we made it to the end. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about on the names of the prizes are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have both my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. If you could follow me, that would be amazing. And it'd be so great if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.